You don't lose your peace in a single day. You lose it in tiny pieces. Every time you check your phone before your thoughts, every time you scroll for comfort and end up comparing your life, every time you say yes when your soul was screaming no. Modern life doesn't steal peace loudly. It steals it through notifications, deadlines, gossip, and overthinking. You wake up already exhausted. You smile on the outside but feel noise inside. You're surrounded by people, yet you feel alone. It's not because you're weak. It's because the world you live in profits from your distraction. But peace isn't lost. It's just buried under noise. And these 5 Stoic commands will help you find it again. Let's begin. Command 1, control what enters. Think about it. You wake up, unlock your phone, and 100 strangers walk into your mind. You see someone's success and feel behind. You see someone's beauty and feel inadequate. You see someone's life and forget to live yours. You're not lazy, you're just overstimulated. Stoic Command 1. Control what enters, or it will control you. Your mind is your home. Would you let just anyone walk into your house and shout opinions all day? Then stop letting social media do it. Start small. Unfollow one account that drains you. Mute one person who adds chaos. Spend 10 minutes with your own thoughts instead of a stranger's highlight reel. The moment you protect what enters your mind, you begin to feel peace returning. But controlling what enters isn't enough, because the world will still try to pull your focus. That's why you must master the next command. Command 2, guard your attention. You have 24 hours, but most people give away 18 of them without realizing. They start the day checking messages before they even breathe. They reply instantly to everything. They can't watch a movie without picking up their phone. We don't live in an attention economy. We live in an attention war. Stoic Command 2. Guard your attention like your freedom, because your attention decides your direction. Imagine, a man spends his day reacting, emails, texts, gossip, and by night he's drained. Another spends his day focused, journaling, working, reflecting, and by night he's at peace. Both live 24 hours, only one truly lived. So choose where your eyes go, because that's where your life goes. When you guard your attention, you stop surviving and start living consciously. And when you take control of your attention, you begin to notice how often you waste energy, explaining, arguing, proving. That leads to the 3rd command. Command 3. Speak less, feel more. We live in a world that shouts, post your thoughts, share your side, prove you're right. But Stoicism whispers. Wisdom doesn't need to shout. You argue with someone online and feel emptier after. You defend yourself to people who already made up their minds. You explain your pain to those who never listen. Stop. Speak less, feel more. Observe more. Listen deeper. Silence teaches what noise hides. When you stop trying to win arguments, you start winning your peace back. Next time someone disrespects you, don't react. Just smile and walk away. Because peace doesn't need proof. Once you learn silence, you start realizing not everything is yours to fix. That's the next lesson every soul must learn. The Command 4. Let go of what you can't control. You text someone, they don't reply. You give your best, still lose the job. You love someone, they leave. And you keep asking, why me? But the Stoics knew the truth. We suffer more from wanting control than from losing it. Do your part, then release the rest. You can control your words, not how they're received. You can control your effort, not the outcome. You can control your actions, not other people's hearts. When you stop chasing certainty, you find serenity. So next time something doesn't go your way, say this to yourself. I did my best, and that's enough. That mindset alone frees you from 90% of modern stress. And once you stop trying to control the world, you finally return to the only place peace ever lived, inside you. Command 5, return to yourself. You check your phone 100 times a day, but when was the last time you checked in with your soul? You rush to reply to others, but never reply to your own needs. You chase goals, but forget to ask, do I even want this? Return to yourself daily. Wake up and breathe before touching your phone. Take a walk alone. Write one line in a journal, not for views, not for likes, for peace. Stillness isn't laziness. It's how you realign with who you truly are. And the more you return to yourself, the less the world can pull you away. So remember these 5 commands and repeat them until they become your way of life. 1. Control what enters. 2. Guard your attention. 3. Speak less. 4th, release control. 5. Return to yourself. You can't stop the noise of the world, but you can stop it from living in your mind. And when you do, you'll realize peace was never gone. It was just waiting for your permission to come back. If this message spoke to you, comment, I choose peace. And if you're ready to build a quieter, stronger mind, subscribe to Wisdom Echoes, where ancient stoicism meets modern chaos and wisdom becomes your power.